Okay, today's class is on NoSQL. So the word NoSQL means not only SQL. So it's actually better than SQL. So you do not need to do normalization. There's no format, and it can take the common format called JSON format, which is commonly known for most of the API. So if you're talking to outside world, usually they give you in JSON format, then you can actually import into your NoSQL. So MongoDB is one of the best tools for NoSQL and is free of charge. And you can actually use this booster, NoSQL booster. Then you can uh, do most of the things that you wanted to. So now, so Mongo, NoSQL is how it works is that you actually look at these documents rather than we call it rows of data, right? Become document, and table we call it collection. Database is still the same name. Okay. So this is the JSON format. So you have the attribute, which is same as SQL. Then of course this name, his name is Max and age is 29. The good thing about JSON format or NoSQL is that in the attribute you can have another table inside the attribute. Or in an attribute you can have array of table. Okay, array of documents. Okay, so that means that you can have embedded documents, a document inside a document. Okay, so that means there's no format. Okay, in short. So this is the good thing, and this is the MongoDB. I shall skip faster a bit. I try to limit the video to 5 minutes, and the lookup is very fast, very fast. So I'm going to skip MongoDB Compass if you wanted to, which is not really needed. So because when you install the NoSQL, I think the Compass is already there. So NoSQL Compass, NoSQL Compass, Compass or Mongo Compass. So you can actually look at this Mongo Compass. So this one, where is it? Mongo Compass. Okay. Oh, too long never use. Okay, MongoDB Compass. Now this is not really important because the booster can do everything. So this is just conveniently let you create table, etc. So myself also I seldom use it. Okay, you just search for MongoDB Compass. When you install the Mongo, it will be giving you. So you can you can create document, you can create collection, and you can search a bit, but not so friendly. So I'm going to skip this because it's a repetitive compared with booster. So we are going to use booster, and this, for example, we want to create a collection called flights. Okay, so let's create collection flights here in booster here. Let me delete the flights first if there is. Okay, don't have, that's good. So I'm just going to create a new shell. Okay, so I'm going to use flights. Okay, and control enter, right? Okay, so good, control enter is correct. So anyway, you can just use the run button if you like to. So you like to prefer keyboard, and you can do that. So you're going to insert the first flights from Munich. Is it departure Munich to San Francisco? Correct. So this is what you can do here. So this is the one you can run. Control enter. So now you're inserting one, right? So you want to know what is inside. So just DB, very easy. Flights. Then after that, flights. Then dot find. Okay. Then this is the one. So just control enter. Okay. So this is a document you have inserted. So if you look at this, departure airport at Munich, arrival San Francisco, etc. Right? So you can, of course, later you can do more detailed things, which I try to do not so many for today, but you can just try it out with the notes here. Then you can just insert another one. Just control enter again. Then now you've tried to find. be able to find two documents here. Sorry, sec. Did I do anything wrong in control enter? So you should be able to find two. Oh, so I do multiple document, right? So altogether, I think it's keep repeating if I'm not wrong. Oh, okay. So I've done the just now when I run the script, I run twice. Okay, so you can see I actually got 4 documents. So supposingly only 2 documents. Okay, now we have 4, doesn't matter. So I just want to go through the rest, something like this, since you can do a kickstart. I just want to let you know that in CRUD, we can create, we can update, read, delete. So just now we have created, right? So you want to update, you're allowed to do that. You can actually read like what we did just now, fine. If you wanted to, you can delete, okay? So you can insert one more, you can delete one. For example, you want to delete LHR. So I think this is the last one I'm going to do, because the rest you can just follow the steps. And you can easily delete here LHR. I think there are 2 of them, right? That's not because I do double, right? So now if you search, we probably can left only one LHR. I don't even know where is it, okay. So, oh, sorry, there's only one LHR, right? So we deleted one, now we left 3. And the rest you can just continue from here. The command is there. So there's more advanced search. Oh, yeah. So I forgot to also mention that there's some database for you to try out. So I actually leave it in here. Flights, clinics. So there are a bit more like TV, etc. Those are 10,000 rows that you can try. So thank you for watching the video.